Alright guys, this is on a 2006 Chevy Tahoe. I don't know if anyone else has had this issue, but I was having a little bit of a misfire in it, and this hose right back here, I had to replace it because it was loose and kept falling out on me. And another thing, my spark plug wire was rubbing the steering column. I don't know if you can see very good down in there. See how close it was? I had to turn it and move it out of the way because that little bracket there on the steering shaft was rubbing on my spark plug wire, and it rubbed it in too and was causing a pretty bad misfire. Not sure if anybody else has had that issue, but I had to spin that one around a pretty good bit to get it kind of away from my steering column. But that is my solution to that. And the hose back there, you can pretty much get any kind of little hose. It's a vacuum line that goes up to the intake up under here. I didn't pull it back off, but it goes up inside there. And after I did that, it was running quite a bit better. Changed the spark plug wires, and it's been a little while since I changed them, but you can tell that one looks a little bit newer because I had to mess with it. But that was a lot of my issue with the misfire. I hadn't had the check engine light come back on in quite some time. If it does, I will post another video on it. Thanks guys, and have a good day.